Hello YouTube, this is Sandy here and welcome back to Sister Cousins. Today I am going to be sharing a Goodwill haul with you. I visited my local Goodwill on yesterday and picked up a couple Christmas items, which I was kind of surprised that I was able to find anything because I've been seeing a lot of the people that I watch on YouTube have been going to the Goodwill for the last couple weeks and finding Christmas stuff. So I was expecting it to all be gone. But one thing that I learned yesterday while at the Goodwill, my local Goodwill, is that she told me that they put a little bit of their Christmas items out each day. So they don't put it all out so that it can sell out. And I guess they do that to keep you coming back. So that was good information to know that they will be replenishing through the Christmas season. And so there's no fear of running out. Now, you may not find what you're looking for, but they'll always have some Christmas decor. That's the way that she described it to me. So let me stop rambling and show you what I bought. All right, so the first item that I bought was brand new, still in the box, and it is a sleigh, sterling silver sleigh with some candle holders, tea light candle holders. And these are made out of the mercury glass. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really, really cute. I have absolutely no idea what I'm gonna do with this thing, but it was $1.99, brand new, still in box. So I figured that I would find a way to decorate with it at some point. You know how we do. If you're a decorator or you like to decorate your home, you always find a way. If not this year, next year for sure. The next item that I found that I love is another sleigh, actually. And this one was so cute with the little holly on it, or mistletoe, whatever that is on there. But this is gold in color, and I just thought this was really cute. This was also $1. I think this was $1. So definitely could not pass this up. And you'll probably see this at some point in a tablescape or somewhere. I will find a way to use that because I love it. This here is just a wire. It's kind of copper color, and it says joy. And this was also $1. I thought this was really cute. Not crazy about the color, but I figure I could always spray paint it, silver or gold, whatever I need it to be. I'm probably gonna put this up over my cabinet, and I'm probably not gonna spray paint it before I use it. I'll probably use it this season and probably spray paint it next year or something. The next item I got was a set, and these are little glass bowls. They could be candle holders, I guess, but it came with a set of 4. So I'm going to use them as little bowls, and I'm actually going to incorporate these into my tablescape this year. So when I film my tablescape video, these will be included in there. And I just love them because they are red and glass or crystal in there. And they had some plates like this, but they only had 2. And one of them was kind of discolored, so I did not pick those up. But I thought these were really, really cute. Kind of the tulip shape to them. And the last item I got was a set of Christmas dishes. And they're really pretty with the little mistletoe around them. And this also was brand new in the box. It came with a set of 4. It came with 4 saucers, but it came with 5 cups. I found that odd, but that's good because in case I break one, I'll have the set. But this is really cute little set here. So this was brand new in the box, and that was the most expensive thing I bought. That was $5.99. So that is my Christmas haul. Just wanted to jump on and share those items and let you know that if you are a thrifter and if you have need or wants for a Christmas decor, that Goodwill explained to me that they do continue to put merchandise out. So if you haven't gone, don't fear. You may still be able to find some really nice items that you like or would like to use in your home. So that is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed, and happy thrifting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.